Alright, I need to replace my background right here what I've been shooting. I'm a food photographer and I have a fake kitchen, and right here it's already mounted, old one, but it's got right here you can see all scratched. I had this for many years, this one. So they don't make exactly like what I have, but I ordered this one. They come in different sizes, different widths, so I highly recommend you measure first so you get exactly what you need. This particular one I have a 35 inches and it's adhesive. So let's open and see the quality of it. I hope it will work out because I really do for the new background. And you can also use this to refresh your old furniture. I've done this in the past too. It's looking very nice. So the mainly what I've been looking in my backgrounds, it's durability. So I'm looking at my background durability, so it's withstand any spills or high traffic, so people can move objects on the surface many times, so it doesn't get scratched very easily. The reason why this surface got scratched because I have a heavy kitchen equipment operating here, and it's old. It's more than 3 years old, so it's like this. It's little bit. It feels like a little bit oily. I don't know if it's a temporary thing or it's a, I feel like it's covered in little oil, but I think it's a temporary. So let's check what's going on here. So you have your paper and let's see how adhesive it is. Okay. Let's stay on because my previous adhesive paper was staying. Let's see. Okay, it will stay on, which is good. The only thing I don't like, but I guess I get work around it. It's a pattern. I really like my previous one. It looks like the pattern is the same what I had before, but it's kind of has a gray tone to it, which is I guess it's okay. It's kind of gray and bluish tone to this paper. So it's not exactly you won't get this white marble, but maybe it's even for the better if you're using for your furniture or for the kitchen, because it doesn't get it is kind of oily. It won't get dirty right away like what the surface what I have right here. So I guess I'm going to mount this, and it's lovely texture. I really like, so it's subtle but it's nice. So yes, that will be my new background.